Are you a beginner trying to make some money online, but you're scared or you don't know the skills or the services you can offer online to make some cool cash for yourself? Then watch this video all the way to the end, because in today's video I'm going to share with you 5 different things you can do as a Fiverr freelancer to make money online. And this gigs requires no money to spend, no technical experience, no prior skills, nothing. So watch this video all the way to the end, because I will share with you 5 different Fiverr gig services that you can offer online to make some cool cash for yourself without having to spend any money, without having any technical knowledge, without any experience. So let's get started with the video. And before I get into the video proper, I'm going to share with you, first of all, this is my YouTube channel, and what I do on this channel is to create videos around making money online, Fiverr freelancing, CPA marketing, and affiliate marketing. So if that interests you, if you want to watch videos around that, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on the bell notification, like this video, and keep watching my videos. This is my YouTube channel. As you can see, I made this video some days ago, this one some days ago, this other one some days ago, and these videos are going to help you to make some good money online using Fiverr freelancing, CPA marketing, and affiliate marketing. So let's jump straight into the video while I show you the first Fiverr gig services for beginners that you can use to make money online without any technical experience, without spending any money, or without having any skills to offer. So the first Fiverr gig we are going to look at is social media manager. Social media managing is something you can do, and in fact you're doing it right now, because you have your Instagram account, you have a YouTube account, you have a Facebook account, you have Twitter account or X account, whatever it's called. So what happens there is, you can see this person says, I will be your Instagram marketing manager and promote your page. This is where you can just become a manager to someone's digital marketing account, to someone's social media account like Facebook or Instagram or Twitter or X. What you do is you be the manager of that account, where you have the login access to that account. And what you will do is, when there is a comment that you don't like, or a comment that doesn't seems good to the content created on that channel or on that account, you delete that comment, or you caution people, or you create content to put on that page. Look at what this person says. I will write engaging and professional social media posts. That is a simple thing to do. I will be your social media manager and content creator. I will be your social media manager from zero to hero. As you can see, these people are making some cool cash for themselves. This person charges $40 for every service. This person is charging $105, and she has sold for 13 different times. This person is charging $120 and he has sold for 33 times. This person is charging a whopping $500 and he has sold for 6 times. So this is something you can do as a social media manager. You can make some cool cash for yourself just managing someone's Facebook account, Instagram account, or Twitter account. So the next gig we are going to look at, where you can make cool cash for yourself without any prior experience, without technical knowledge, is account creation. So what happens with this gig is, if there's any account you know how to create, and maybe someone in some part of the world are not allowed to create an account on that website, you can help that person to create an account, then send to them the password and email so that they can log in, maybe using a VPN or any other way they can do it. So for example, in Nigeria, here where I am, some people don't know how to create a ClickBank account. As you can see here, ClickBank account only in 5 minutes, worldwide support available, 100% bound proof, order now. This person will create a ClickBank account for you in Nigeria or anywhere you are in the world, and she will create this account for you and send you the password and the email address and the name so that you can log into your ClickBank account and start using it. So if you're living in the United States or United Kingdom or Australia or Canada, you can offer a service like this. You can create a gig like this and create an account for people who live in countries where they are not allowed to create these accounts, where you, after creating the account for them, then you give them the password or the login details so that they can log into their account and start using it. Though that way, ClickBank can still block if you're in Africa or third world countries where they ban accounts. So this is not what you're going to do, but other account creations you can do it. As you can see, this person says I will create your Instagram account, and she's charging $115, and she has sold for 23 different times. That means there are people who are finding it difficult to create their Instagram account, and this person is going to help you do just that. And as you can see, she has sold for at least 23 times. This person says I will create verified Google Play console developer account, and he's charging $120. These are cool ways you can make money online just by creating account for people. This person says I will create TikTok ads account and business center account for $5, and this person has sold for 357 times. This person says I will create a US TikTok account to monetize in all countries for $5, and this person has sold for 24 times. This person says I will create professional LinkedIn account for $50, and he has sold for over 20 times. So this is something you can do. Create accounts for people, different social media accounts, and you can make cool cash as a beginner without having any skills, no technical experience, nothing, no spending of money, and you can make money online using this as a service on Fiverr. The third one we're going to look at is background remover. This is a gig where you can just set up gigs like this, and for example like this bicycle in here and with a background behind it, you can upload a picture like this to a website where you can remove this background and you will make money for that. Look at what this person is saying. I will do bulk photos, background remover, crop product images, etc. He's selling for $5 and has sold for 114 times. This person says I will remove background 15 images by clipping path here for $5, and he has sold for over 1,000 times. This person says I will remove background from images. For example, this is the example. This lady at a green background, and as you can see the background has been removed on this side, and he's charging for $5, and he has sold for over 1,000 times. And the website you can use to remove background from images for free is a website called remove. Let's go and check for remove.bg. Click enter. And what this website does is once you upload a picture or an image to this website, it will automatically remove the background from it. So let's look at an example. I'm going to upload an image from my laptop computer right here so that you see the example. So let me click on upload an image. I'm going to pull up an image from my computer to show you how this method works. Let's go to pictures. Okay, the place is empty. Okay, I'm going to upload this picture of myself, this image of myself, so you see exactly how backgrounds can be removed from images on this website for free. As you can see, this is the background that has been removed for free. So all you need to do once a customer gives you an image to remove the background for them, you come to this website, upload that image to this website, remove the background, and send out the image to them without a background or with a white background, and that way you get paid. For example, you can see this person is earning $10 for every image he removes background, this person $5, this person $5, this person $5, and so on and so forth. So use this website, remove.bg, like I just did here, and I've removed the background from this image, and as you can see, it's totally white. The background has been removed. So that's how you can make money on Fiverr, just by removing background from images. The fourth services we are going to look at today is blog commenting. What you do here is, there are so many people who have website or created a digital courses or social media posts where they want you to just come onto that page and comment your opinion down below, so that it will look like people have commented, people have watched, or people have visited their website. So all you do here is to create a gig telling them that you can comment on their website, and they will pay you just to leave a comment under their post on social media or under their blog post on their website. Look at what this person says here. I will do 160 SEO link. No, that's not what we are looking at. As you can see, I will make 90 manual do follow blog comments. I will put 600 blog comments for your website. I will do 500 do follow blog comment backlinks. I will do 230 unique do follow blog comments backlinks on your website. So this is what you can do, just to comment your opinion under their post on social media or on their website, and you will get paid just by doing that. So let's move over to the last one. The fifth Fiverr gig service you can offer as a freelancer without any experience is proofreading. And what happens here is people that have websites or they have blogs, before they upload their blogs or they publish their blogs onto their website or on their social media accounts, what they do is they look for someone who can proofread that blog post or that piece of content they want to upload on the internet. So what you can do here is to read through the blog they want to upload, then make some necessary corrections to it. For example, you can use a tool called Grammarly.com. I already have Grammarly installed on my Chrome browser here, so I use it. Look at it. This is what Grammarly does. If there's any mistake or any grammatical error within the blog written already, Grammarly is going to underline it and show you how you can correct it. For example, as you can see, there are so many grammatical errors in this, and this is how you can do it. Once you hover your mouse upon this word, Grammarly is going to suggest what you're going to do. For example, if I click on this, it's going to tell me that this comma is supposed to be with a space before the make. So if I click on this, it's going to change it for me. So that's what Grammarly can help you